In this video, I am going to show how to download and install XAMPP on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL apachefriends.org and then download the XAMPP for Windows operating system. I am going to download the latest version of XAMPP for Windows operating system. So click on this download link. It may take a while for downloading. I already have downloaded it on my machine. So after a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes option. Click on OK. The setup wizard is ready to begin. Click on next. Now select the components you want to install or clear the components you do not want to install. I don't want to install Tomcat. OK. Then click on next to continue installation. Now choose a folder where you want to install XAMPP. This is the default location. If you want to change this location, click on this browse button and browse the folder where you want to install XAMPP. Otherwise, leave this and click on next. Now select the language of XAMPP control panel. I am going to select the English language, then click on next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on my machine. So click on next. It may take a while for installing XAMPP on Windows operating system. So be patient. That's it. Setup has finished installing XAMPP on my machine. If you want to start the control panel right now, check this box, otherwise uncheck and then click on finish. I am going to start the XAMPP control panel right now. That's it. XAMPP installed successfully on Windows operating system. Now I am going to start Apache web server. Simply click on this start button and I am going to start MySQL database server. Now access the MySQL server using phpMyAdmin. Open web browser and browse this URL localhost, then select phpMyAdmin. That's it. And also you can see the PHP information. Click on this tab, PHP version, and this is the PHP configuration file location. That's it. Now I am going to run a simple PHP script on localhost. So I'm going to open a text editor. Visual Studio Code is preferred. Open a new file. Now save this file. Into the htdocs folder. I'm going to create a new folder, name my site. Okay, inside this folder I'm going to create a PHP file, name it index.php. Okay, now write a simple PHP script that will print a message. Its work. Save this file and go back to the web browser and access my site. That's it. Stop the web server. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.